What?
Oh, when
Do what? Oh no.
Okay.
I went to do butt.
Yeah, in my home.
And poopy. He's got a poopy butt.
This is how you shotgun or pipe
Is his butt poopy?
fire. You load it in the front, and look what you can do.
Do you know how to change a diaper?
No.
Got my jammies on, and I'm ready for Betty.
I had acne on, and I'm ready to eat dinner.
I got my jammies on, and I'm ready for Betty. Put my elite dart in. Yes,
Got the babble race
Wait.
No.
You want to do this baby? What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is over here.
Yeah, what are you doing?
What's the mom?
Moving it. Would you shotgun it or fire? I'm loading. Wanna she knife and wanna she knife and this is a weird Nerf dodge. See how the ball. Look, there's nothing wrong with it, right? Look.
I like 3 bowls of ice cream during the whole week. Not the whole week, but since we had that dinner.
Not all since today. I'm joking. Obviously.
What?
I'm joking. Come on, Reese.
Go, Reese.
There's my doggy, Reese. And I got my jammies on. Hi. Sorry, I was upside down. Hi guys, this is me. First time you ever seen me. Here's how you would originally fire 3 darts. Shotgun. Okay.
Hey!
It's just an ad.
My boy did it. Oh,
I'm not at a 12 verse right. No. Just caught all those right in my hand. Not good for you. No.
Is she on your laptop?
What?
Is she on your laptop?
Yeah. Time is 10:55.
Brooke, are you on your laptop? What? Are you on your laptop? No. Can I use it for a job application?
She doesn't care what it's for. Okay, I actually think I'm so I'm going to do this one easier. And look, here's an orchestra.
Canto. Canto.
Original.
Canto. Canto.
Shush.
Canto.
Shush, I'm making a video.
Canto.
Is that one?
Canto.
What? Here's how I do a maximum. Okay, so technically, I don't have my belt on. So look. Okay, now. Okay, let's redo that. Okay. You ready? Okay, I'm out. Stay out. No, it's not. Gotta make sure that it's in there. There. That's also my bipod. Boost ability sniper shots. Sniper status. One-handed sniper. Not even one-handed sniper. One-handed automatic sniper. You ready? I'll snipe you from 1,000 meters. I'll snipe you 1,000 meters from where I'm gonna be. Here, now you're 1,000 meters from away from where I'm gonna be. You're obviously like 10 meters away from me. I'm gonna go load up. Without no stability bipod, I'm gonna snipe you from 1,000 meters. Hey guys! 1,000 meter snipe almost ready. I ran. Let me finish loading my bag. What road is all I have is the smallest I have. 12 and 25. There's not be no extra dirt. You don't work on sir, yes, sir. You gonna shoot good, sir, yes, sir. Jump in the hole. I don't know, sir. I just got these fresh days. Shout out if you can name this one. Put in a module for later. All 12 rounds. That's a sniper slash. Sorry. It's a sniper slash shotgun video. Be Maverick. Goodbye.